Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a phone Samsung Galaxy S20. This phone is do not charge or have some problem in the charging port. You can see is not connecting all the charger. So have some dust inside the charging socket. How can you clean this at your home? You can see here the dust. So guys, you need a safety pin. Okay, safety pin you have to clean like this. See some dust inside, because when you put the phone in your pocket and dust going inside this type C port always, and if you have the WD-40 or any oil or some spray for cleaning, you can use that. Okay, after you using this oil, it's clean all dust inshallah. See, nothing more inside there. Charging socket is very clean now, so be carefully you have to clean. So almost finish clean our phone. Or you can use the brush for clean. And now you will connect the charging port, and you can see now do not drop your phone. See, very strongly. So this way you can fix your any phone do not charge or don't going inside the charging port. So you can see the dust inside your phone, and you need a safety pin. You can find any shop and you clean this charging port. If you have the WD-40, you can use this. After that you can see your phone is clean fully and charging socket is working perfectly. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.